We're gonna shoot this water bottle over here. So pretty fun. Shoots at 100 feet per second, so it has a pretty good shoot rate. Clearly good enough to go plinking and shooting cans and plastic bottles off of a little rack. But something just fun to be able to use, and certainly has a cool look to it. It's my first time using one of these, so there's a little bit of a learning curve that goes into it with knowing exactly how to fill up the little gel balls. This is how they arrive to you. Then you stick them in water overnight, and then they grow. Soaking them in water overnight is the best thing. It says, you know, not to have them between, you know, they have to be between 7 millimeters and 8 millimeters. I don't have a caliper, so I'm not measuring it, but watching a bunch of videos, they said really they don't get above 8 millimeters even if you soak them. But how you load them here is a little magazine release here. Drop it down, set it pointing in a safe direction. Come over here, open the little door. You have your little reloader box here, unscrew the top. You do have to be careful when you're putting these in here because they do bounce around a little bit, so just kind of load them in there. You might drop a couple, but that's just what's going to happen. Catch them in your hand, close the door, put any excess back in the jar, put the lid back on the jar here, and then this can just go in your pocket. And then the other key to this is you have to push this little button here until they pop out the top. So that's how you prime it. So the instructions say you got to push that, and then once you see one pop out of the top, then you're good to go and ready to fire it. So we'll go through, pop it back in, and then it's ready to go. You don't have to prime the thing. That's just for looks. But here you have semi-auto and full auto. So now it's ready to shoot on there.